Don't be afraid. You're safe now.
Seal the palace gates. Find them immediately and report back only to me.
Please, don't worry. We'll find Mera. Did you hear that? We're not alone!
Something is out there.
We have to keep moving. I know a shortcut through the ferns that will take us to the riverbank safely.
Wait.
Princess Mera, by the Queen's decree, you must return to the capital. We mean no offense, but we must insist you come with us now.
Goodbye, Simba.
My daughter! Where did you go?
Don't be afraid. You're safe now.
Enough! I will not hear another word of this absurdity. Leave this place at once!
My path is clear now. I swear by the moon above that I will avenge my family and reclaim my rightful place.
I promise I won't let them down. I will find a way to make things right.
My path is clear now. I must face my destiny.
Please, I must see her. It's urgent!
Stand back! You are not permitted entry.